If you're experiencing frame stuttering in League of Legends, follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch League of Legends and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, such as texture quality and shadows, to reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 3. Optimize game resolution. In the settings menu, adjust the game resolution to match your monitor's native resolution. If performance is still an issue, consider lowering the resolution temporarily for better performance. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games. Step 5. Check network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and check for any network issues that could be causing lag or stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing League of Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.